Dear student, today we are in our second lecture of organic chemistry for NEET and JEE. Now we are discussing reaction of a Grignard reagent. If a compound is given like this, means ester is given, reaction with Grignard reagent and hydrolysis in acidic medium. Sometimes it gives like this, both are same. Here R minus and Mg plus X. Bond breaks here. Actually Ca3COO CH. On positive part, alkyl group attacks negatively charged MgX here. After breaking pi bond, here is MgX and here is R. Here is OCH3. MgX removes with OCH3. MgOCH3X removes. And double bond occurs between carbon oxygen. So it gives a ketone. If once again react with Grignard reagent, then R minus comes here, MgX here. So Ca3O MgX, here is now R, here will be R, and hydrolysis of it, MgX with OH removes, and that should be H. So this is our final product when 2 mole of alkyl group Grignard reagent is used. Now second example, CH3CO, where is O? This is also cyclic ester is given. Reacting with Grignard reagent and hydrolysis in acidic medium. Here bond breaks, so R minus combines here and MgX here. So CO, here is O, MgX and R. Hydrolysis, reaction with water, H plus OH, MgX removes with the OH, H combines there, and it gives like this. Once again it reacts with the Grignard reagent, R minus N plus. So R minus here, MgX here. So OMgX R, here OH as it is. Now hydrolysis of it, MgX with OH, and it gives this type of product, R OH R, here is OH. This is our final product. Now Grignard reagent react with cyanide. So product will be with cyanide. Grignard reagent react with cyanide, and it gives carbonyl compounds. Yes, sir. We are taking example methyl cyanide. On reaction with Grignard reagent, here tell me, bond between carbon nitrogen is polar, carbon is partially positively charged, nitrogen negatively. Here one bond breaks, so minus and plus. R minus comes here, MgX here. So due to that, CH3Cr double bond N MgBr. Now hydrolysis of it. Hydrolysis of it. So here, અહીંયા વોટરના બે પાર્ટ આ રીતે થશે, 2 hydrogen 1 oxygen. So 2 hydrogen here combines with nitrogen. So NH2 MgBr. Here oxygen combines and it gives a ketone, carbonyl compounds. So Grignard reagent is also reacting with the cyanide and gives carbonyl compounds. Understood? Now keto group react with ammonia and its derivatives. Reaction of carbonyl with ammonia and its derivatives. Yes, derivatives. So first of all, ammonia is NH3. When one hydrogen removes from there and methyl group combining there, so methylamine. If ethyl is coming there, so ethylamine. Ammonia માંથી જે compound form થાય, compound forms from the ammonia, which is called the derivatives of ammonia. Suppose here one hydrogen replaced by OH group, so hydroxyl amine. Suppose NH2 group is there, so hydrogen. Here instead of hydrogen there is phenyl group, so aniline. These are the derivatives of ammonia. Here ammonia and its derivatives act as a nucleophile attractor. Here ammonia and its derivatives behaves like a nucleophilic attractor. Now we are going to reaction of this. આપણે એની reaction જોઈએ one by one. Actually carbonyl group when react with ammonia, so actually what occurs there, here carbon is partially positive, oxygen is partially negative. In ammonia, bond between N and H is a polar. So here two part of ammonia, NH2 minus and H plus occurs. Due to that, NH2 attacks on nucleus. Why? This is nucleophile. H plus coming here. So here is NH2 and here is OH. But OH and H are close. Acidic hydrogen and basic group combines and releasing of H2O and double bond occurs between them. It gives imine as a product. Here product is imine. Understood? Now I am giving you another example. Acetaldehyde is reacting with ammonia. Now I am giving you shortcut. Acetaldehyde is reacting with ammonia. So actually 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen on collision will be removed. Abhi apply. 2 hydrogen with oxygen removes. So CH3CH combines with NH. It gives imine. Now acetone. Acetone with hydroxylamine. CH3COCH3 is acetone. React with ammonia. What happens there? Shortcut. 1 oxygen and 2 hydrogen removes as H2O and CH3CH3 double bond NH, which is also gives imine. If we are taking NH2OH, then 2 hydrogen with 1 oxygen and there should be OH. 2 hydrogen over the nitrogen removes with 1 oxygen and carbon with nitrogen forms double bond and gives NOH. Here is one exception. Ammonia is not directly combines with the formaldehyde. All the carbonyl groups are combining with the amine, but exception, formaldehyde with the ammonia is not giving imine, but it gives urotropine. Means CH2 6 times and 4 urotropine occurs. Means 4 nitrogen. And there is NH2 group, CH2 group. You can see CH2 how many times? 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 4 nitrogen. Urotropine occurs. In the formaldehyde, here 4 mole of ammonia. Three, 6, 9 and 12. 12 hydrogen and 6 oxygen removes as a 6 H2O and remaining 6 CH2 combines with 4 nitrogen like this, which gives urotropine. Reaction of formaldehyde is different with ammonia than others. Now some typical example we are going to discuss. Here ethanol acetaldehyde. Ethanol is taken, is reacting with the NH2, CH2, NH2. Then product will be, yes, out of these 2 amino group, one of them collide with carbonyl group. Just collide, athalide. 2 hydrogen, 1 oxygen. Direct H2 removes. Then CH3CH double bond in and CH2 NH2 occurs there. This is our product. But what about, I am giving you another example. Ethanol is taken, but NH2 NH CO and NH2. Here 3 nitrogen containing hydrogens. So which one take part in the collision which will combines with carbonyl? These two in resonating system with carbonyl. These two are highly stable. Have electron coming, these 2 electron coming here, these 2 here, these 2 here. So this one is unstable. So 2 hydrogen from here and 1 oxygen from here. Removes SH2O and CH3CH double bond in NHCO and NH2 occurs. This is our product. Another example like this. Tell me, same ethanol is taken and is reacting with the derivatives of ammonia like this. So which amino group combines with the carbonyl carbon? Tell me. Obviously, this amino group is in conjugate system with benzene. So resonating structure માં છે. 2 electron અહીંયા stable છે. Here is not in conjugate system. Double bond, single bond, then double bond, then lone pair. The resonating nothing. Unstable છે. This one stable. So these 2 hydrogen combines with oxygen and removes SH2O. Then it gives CH3CH double bond in CH2 benzene ring and NH2. This part combines here. It gives a product. Now, student, here in our new point, carbonyl group react with PCl3, PCl5 or SOCl2. Yes. Carbonyl group reacts with PCl3, PCl5 or SOCl2. Understood? Here our carbonyl group is equivalent to dihydroxy group. Yes. In the PCl5, actually what happens there? CO bond breaks. So here is the equivalent. આપણે લઈ લેવાનું. અહીંયા waterમાંથી એક છે, અહીંયા OH છે. Then after 2 OH will be replaced by chlorine. So this type of product occurs. એટલે carbonyl group હોય એને equivalent to OH લઈ લેવાનું. Yes, assuming there is 2 OH. Then 2 OH replaced by 2 chlorine, it gives product. When we take acetaldehyde and reaction with PCl3, PCl5 or SOCl2 equivalent to OH. And 2OH will be replaced. This is the trick. Yes, this is our trick. Now similarity with acetic acid. This is ethanol. Now when we take acetic acid in reaction with PCl3, PCl5, SOCl2, we know OH group will be replaced by chlorine. And it gives acetyl chloride, ethanol chloride. If ethanol is taken, then PCl5 replaces OH group and gives chloroethane. Understood? This is our product. Now difference between SOCl2 and SO2Cl2, both are different. Thionyl chloride and thionyl chloride. SO2Cl2. Different from SOCl2. Yes, SO2Cl2 different from SOCl2. It reacts with alkane, not with OH group. Yes, it react with alkane, not react with OH group, where SOCl2 react with the OH group. Understood? This is our trick. So when we take ethane, SO2Cl2 is taken. One SO2 removes as the SO2 gas. One chlorine with one hydrogen HCl and one chlorine combines there. So SO2Cl2 is reacting with alkane, not with OH group. When we take ethanol, then SO2Cl2 is not giving any product. Yes, but ethanol react with SOCl2. So one sulfur and two oxygen removes as SO2, one hydrogen chlorine as HCl, and there should be chlorine, so chloroethane. SOCl2 react with the OH group. Now nitro compounds with lithium aluminium hydride. It means reduction of nitro compounds. Nitro NO2 group having nitro compounds react with the lithium aluminium hydride gives amine.